Okay. Recently, I went to Shea Stadium. I bought 2 hot dogs. Shea Stadium. Man, I'm dating myself. Citi Field. I'm a Met fan. Bought 2 hot dogs and a drink, and I spent $23. Of course, I got ripped off, but for a math lesson, I'm using it as an example. And one of my students took a girlfriend there. He had 3 hot dogs and 2 drinks and spent $37. I don't think he's going to be taking her to a date over there again, not for that type of money. However, let's look at the cost of a hot dog and the cost of a drink. Let's say 2 hot dogs plus 1 drink cost $23. And 3 hot dogs and 2 drinks will cost $37. Well, what is the cost of a hot dog and what is the cost of a drink? Well, what I'm going to do is purposely make potential errors in here to show you what could happen, but the goal is for consistency. Let's say I want to take this example and I add it. Well, 2 hot dogs and 3 hot dogs. Well, 5 hot dogs and 3 drinks will then cost $60. It doesn't tell me anything. I have no idea what to do here. Let's see what happens if I subtract. Let's redo the exact same example. And let's see what happens if I subtract. 2 hot dogs plus 1 drink is equal to $23. 3 hot dogs plus 2 drinks is $37. And if I subtract 2 hot dogs minus 3 hot dogs is negative a hot dog. Can you really have negative hot dogs? No, but for mathematically speaking, let's imagine you can. Negative hot dog with a negative drink will cost you a negative $14. Still doesn't tell me anything. Let's look at what we can say. Let's do it again. Two hot dogs plus 1 drink will cost $23. 3 hot dogs plus 2 drinks will cost $37. Well, let's look what I know. I know that if 2 hot dogs and 1 drink cost $23, then I can say 4 hot dogs and 2 drinks is $46. And 3 hot dogs and 2 drinks equal $37. Let's look at what I can do now. If I add it, 4 plus 3, 7, 2 plus 2, 4, nothing happens. Then I can go through this whole process again. But let's look what happens if I subtract. 4 hot dogs minus 3 hot dogs is 1 hot dog. 2 drinks, take away 2 drinks, it's nothing. 46 minus 37 is 9. So I can say a hot dog costs $9. Notice what I did. Through multiplication of whatever you do to one side of the equation, you have to do to the other side of the equation. I forced the issue, and I made this into the same value. And by the way, if one was positive and one was negative, what I would do is add. Again, the goal is to eliminate one of your variables. Well, if a hot dog is $9, well, 2 hot dogs and 1 drink is $23. Then 2 times 9 plus D equals $23. 18 plus D equals 23. So D is $5,000. So a drink would cost $5. Let's go team. I will continue with the next example by using substitution method. I will then do it graphically, and I will conclude simultaneous equations by doing it using Cramer's rule, and we'll prove Cramer's rule using matrices and determinants.